Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to end a room on the Clubhouse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page and open the room that you have created. And if you want to end it, all you have to do is clicking on this three dots icon that you can find in the right side of the screen. Then as you can see, there is this end room button in orange, so tap on it if you would like to end the room. As you can see, it has been ended and it disappeared, so that's how you can end a room. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.